Index is down closer around 100 points. For the mid-cap index, there are plenty of stocks that are doing very well. HLE Glasscoat, that stock had corrected big time. I think it was half from the top. Today in the first hour, the volumes are very high and that's moved to the high point of the day. So keep an eye out on that one. We had TD Power a few days ago. The management joined it and they sounded rather optimistic about the growth prospects for the next 2 years. That one as well is moving higher on larger than expected volumes. But for the time being, let's shift focus to the commodity markets. Manisha Gupta is joining in to tell us about that commodity that she's tracking. Morning, Manisha.
Morning, Nigel. It's all been about metals, but I do want to talk about the precious metals as well and what strong gains we saw in the month of November, and December has started on a very strong note yet again. So you are looking at gold prices trading at a 3-month highs. Prices already have gained up by 3% in this week, and we still have today's trading session as a day to left out as in sense of trade there. We're trading at around $1,800 per ounce, slightly below that in the Asian markets right now. But the point is that we did see prices hit an overnight high of $1,816 per ounce as well. On 3rd of November, the prices hit a near 2-year lows at around $1,618 per ounce. So in last 1 month itself, you have seen nearly $200 of a range come in for the gold prices, and good going on the higher side in that case there. The markets are looking at support from various reasons there, and gold has seen the biggest one-day gain in 5 months is how it traded in the street yesterday. It is quite interesting on how there are physical and futures actually trading in a divergence there. If you look at the physical market buying, the trade has been slightly lower, $15 to $20 at a discount than futures. The future prices ran up because of the decline in US dollar, and that led to buyers actively initiating long future positions there. Remember, a lot of speculators and money managers have been short in case of gold. We've seen a lot of redemptions in case of ETFs as well come in. So there are some of those short calls being unwinded, and initiation of buying calls is what we are seeing into the market. Very strong on charts. If you look at the gold at around current levels of $1,800 per ounce, it's trading above its 50 days and 100 days and 200 days moving average as well. So everywhere that you look, there is a lot of support that we are seeing coming in case of gold. What is also supportive is 91% probability now that the Fed will hike rates by 50 basis points in December. That seems to be factoring in case of the gold prices there. The dollar index, as I mentioned, now trading below 105 is a 4-month lows, and that clearly has been supportive across board. What we are waiting for now is the US non-farm payroll data that comes in the evening. That would give you further direction on how the prices can move in the next week there. Well, that's about gold, and this is a report that came in from Credit Suisse saying that if the prices continue to stay above 1797, which they are right now, then it would open way for $1,877 per ounce. It does get stronger on charts going forward. That's about gold, but take a look at the silver prices, and we've seen strong gains onto that one. 64,000 is back in case of Indian markets there. The low for this current year has been 52,000. So good gains from those kind of lows. We're trading at a 6-month highs right now. Prices did gain 3% overnight and now are at 6% up in this week. Prices also did gain 15.5% for the month of November. So good going here. Within all the metals as well, copper continues to outperform, trading at a 2-week highs, and copper as well has posted the best monthly gain in the month of November since May 2021. Some bit of a profit taking coming in right now, but even with that, the prices are up by nearly 4% in this week.